Welcome back. Chinese humanoid robotics company Unitree surging in its public debut in Shanghai. Eunice Yoon joins us with the details. Quite the move, Eunice. A lot of excitement, it sounds like, for this company.
Yeah, definitely a lot of excitement. Unitree had a stunning Shanghai debut. It soared 630% at one point, valuing Unitree at $59 billion. This was $161 per share versus the IPO price of $22. The stock ended up a mere 460% up. Now, Unitree has raised $900 million. That's going to help them to be able to advance humanoid robots that even Elon Musk has described as impressive. Unitree, just by the numbers, has shipped 5,500 humanoid robots last year. This is versus Tesla's 0 when it comes to Optimus. In terms of the numbers for its profits, it's actually one of the few companies in its sector that makes money. It earned $41 million last year on $250 million of revenue. And then finally, the strategic investors are also really interesting. Big names like Alibaba, Tencent, as well as DeepSeek for this particular offering. DeepSeek and Tencent, as well as some state companies, were among those strategic investors who are allocated 20%. Now, the profits in the key partners aren't the only reason why the retail portion was subscribed by 5,500 of the companies in a sector that Beijing considers to be strategic. Retail investors see the founder in meetings with President Xi Jinping, and also the robots are heavily featured in TV galas here at conferences. And in fact, currently there's a robot show going on, and there's supposed to be another one, a games, next week, and Unitree is heavily featured. In fact, this week, one of its new robots, it's called Superman, was launched, and it can jump 2 meters high and run really, really fast. So a lot of people think that this company is a leader when it comes to humanoid robots. Stock regulators have also signaled support for these targeted tech sectors. And in fact, at that robot conference, Unitree which had its robots talked about a lot today. There were other competitors such as Lumos, who said that they were going to consider an IPO. Chery Auto's robot unit also said that it's considering a listing. And this is after the government has really been trying to get the momentum going for people to consider buying into targeted tech sectors such as AI, like DeepSeek and Moonshot. Those IPOs are expected in the coming year. Other robotics companies, as well as the chip sector. In terms of that robot conference, one other thing that happened that was interesting, Madison Huang, Jensen Huang's daughter, was spotted there, and she's the marketing person who's in charge of looking at their physical AI platforms. Guys?
Fascinating, and yeah, I mean, we're out of time, but so many questions for you, Eunice, about where they're sourcing their memory, if that's domestic or from some suppliers that we already know, and what that's going to do to ongoing supply crunches going forward. We'll get a lot more from you, I'm sure, in the days and weeks ahead. Our Eunice Yoon with the remarkable story in robotics.
Yeah, you see a 460% pop like that on a U.S. IPO, everyone would say, oh, they mispriced the deal. But things are a little different over there because of so much retail allocation. Yes. So all of those retail investors who bought in are very much in the money today, at least, on paper.
Speaking of in the money.